Great to be with you again for Power Maths. Have you got those cuffs on? 1, 2, the power to think, the power to do. I hope so. Let's get busy. Well, this is our number 5 Power Maths session, and that's quite funny because we're learning all about number 5, aren't we? Lots and lots of things about 5. So we're going to kick off again today with another number song with 5 little frogs in it this time. If you know it, you're going to join in with me. That'd be great if you could. Here we go then. 5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious grubs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 4 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. Here we go. 4 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious grubs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. And then there were 3 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. Have you noticed how they're going away? One at a time. 3 this time. Are you ready? 3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious grubs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. And then there were 2 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. 2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious grubs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there was 1 green speckled frog. Glub, glub. 1 little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious grubs. Yum, yum. He jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are no green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. Did you like that? But we've got our 5 green speckled frogs just here. We're going to use them today to just have a look at what happens when 1 frog joins the group or 1 frog goes away. And it might be easier if I show you a number line. Let's just put that number line just there. Just move our frogs a little bit out of the way. There we go, there's the frogs. You can sit just there, frogs, with the ducks. Because I've made myself a little frog today. Can you see that, everybody? That is just a plastic lid, comes off the top of my milk bottle. You recognise it? Comes off the top of my milk bottle, and all I've done is draw a little picture of a frog on it, and that's going to be my jumping counter. I'm going to use that today to move up and down my number line. Now, I've actually drawn a number line with the numbers. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See that there? And I've stuck my number 5. What do we call that again? A 5 frame. That's right. I've put my 5 frame underneath so that we can see just how Mr. Frog fits into those spaces. Okay. So maybe when you've seen my video, you might want to do the same. Now then, I want you to understand that every time Mr. Frog jumps up the line, he's jumping 1 more space. So if we start at 0, which is just here, I'm going to write 0 on my number line. 0 is a very important number because it's the number that we start with every single time. We'll start at 0 with Mr. Frog, and Mr. Frog is going to jump just 1 space, 1 more space. So there he goes, 1. And that's because 0 add 1 equals 1. Now, what if Mr Frog was going to jump one more space? Where would he go to now? Have a think. Power to think, remember. Let's try. Mr Frog, can you jump one more space? There he goes. And that's because 1 add 1 more is 2. Mr Frog, do you think you could jump one more space? Are your legs long enough? Where do you think he will go now? If he's jumping forward, because he's jumping one more space, where will he go? That's right, he'll jump to number 3. 2 add 1 more is 3. Have you got this pattern now? Have you seen what happens every time we add 1 more? Mr Frog jumps along the line again. So 3 add 1 more is 4. And 4 add 1 more is 5. Maybe you can have a practice on your 5 frame with a little frog like me. If we're doing less, then we're counting backwards really. We'd start at 5. 5 take away 1 is 4. And 4 take away 1 is 3. And 3 take away 1 is 2. And 2 take away 1 is 1. And 1 take away 1 is 0. So we're having a little practice of going forwards and backwards along the number line, practicing these words more and less. So 1 is 1 more than 0. 2 is 1 more than 1. 4 is 1 less than 5. 3 is 1 less than 4. Does sound a bit tricky, but your grown-up at home will probably help you to get practicing and just learning what those words mean. All right. Well, I'm going to leave you now today, jumping frogs. Enjoy your frog counting. Enjoy counting forwards and backwards and learning all about more and less. Have fun, everybody. Take care. Don't forget to send me videos or photos of what you're doing. I'm really loving seeing the work that you're doing on Dojos. It's fantastic. Take care. See you soon. Bye bye.